Hi, I'm Jamila Ribon from QC. Good up, good evening to you all, to MMM. Now I will show you my video of happiness. Now, first I will show you my provide help on November 29, 2015. I provide the help amount amounting 39,500 pesos and 2 extra. Then my recipient is Miss Olivia Dulalas. Then after 2 weeks, I I request to get a help from MMM amounting 16,700 pesos on December 11 from MM Extra, the accrued. Then may receipt below you will see my sender, um, Miss T. Marilyn, who provide help to me 6,100 pesos, Aaron 6,300, Adal Overin 2,400, and Josephine Garcia who provide 1,900. So thank you to my sender of financial assistance. So thanks to MMM and to the founder Sergi Mabrudi and also to my manager Sherwin Berdin. So I encourage you others to join MMM and support. We will help the community and the community will help us. So thank you. Mabuhay.